Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can change font in the Wix. So let's get started. First of all, go on the Wix. Once you are in, you have to go on the edit side and wait for the site to open. Now here you have to click on this plus icon. Here you have theme text. Now here you can select any font that you want. Once you select the font, you have to click on that font and here your font has been added. Now you can edit your font. You have to go on the font size. You can change its size, alignments and many more. Here you have many other fonts. You also have paragraph fonts. Once you're done with all of these, you have to save it. So yeah, this is how you can change font in the Wix.